Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. So, Pandemic by Z-Man Games, I have to say, is probably my all-time favorite board game. It is so awesome. What I absolutely love about this game is instead of playing against each other, everyone you play with plays together as a team against the board. Your object is to cure all of the world pandemics before they take over. And I love how tight this game is. Every single time we play, we get down to the last 2 or 3 plays, and that's what determines whether we win or lose. So every single time, it's really exciting. This game requires a lot of strategy, it's super fun, and I love that at the end of the game, especially when you win, it's a really feel-good game that everyone can enjoy. So overall, I just absolutely love Pandemic, and that's my point of view.